Good afternoon, folks. We are here at Charles Schwartz Arena, and we are the Scots are playing SPA. We've got Emery Batt in net, Isaac Johnson and Gavin Olson as the defensive pair today. Ian Wallace at defense, or excuse me, at wing. Leo Kirsch as his wing partner. Tommy Russ playing center. All right, we're going to have our national anthem here in a minute. If you have to go, could I drop it off at your house after the game? Okay. All right, let's go Scots.
It's rivalry Saturday, so let's play hockey.
Some of you may recall we've played SPA 3 times last year, beat them twice in the regular season, and then lost to them in sections. So let's hope that we can come out with a win tonight and keep this rivalry on our side. All right, first face off, and SPA does win the draw, and they're going to dump it in. Johnson picks it up. Doesn't escape move. He pushes it up the boards. Kirsch ends up with it at center ice, pushes it up to Wallace. Wallace's shot is blocked. Johnson picks it back up in the corner. Wallace looking for his opportunity. Pushes it in open space, and there was nobody home. Scots end up losing the zone, and they're going to work on a regroup here. Scott's going to get a line change. Mustafa Ahmadad, Will Bittens, and Charlie Rust back on the ice after being injured for a few games. That's nice to see. Johnson holds the line. Oh, shoot. Just couldn't quite hold the zone there. It's all right. We're going to get a whistle here. We've got Kavernen and McMullen out at their defensive pair here. SPA gains the zone. McMullen picks it up. He pushes it back to the corner. Breakout pass up to Rust at neutral ice. Gets intercepted. And Scots are going to have to go back on the defense again. We're getting an icing call, looks like, here on SPA. So
We should note the co-op at St. Paul Academy. They also welcome Nova Academy, St. Agnes, Minnehaha, Twin City Academy, and Great River School.
we got Bittens here on the faceoff. Puck ends up in the corner. Ahmadad picks it up, pushes it towards the net. It is blocked. Both teams battling on the boards here. Bittens working the corner. Russ coming in with support. Russ pushes it in front of the net. SPA is able to get it out of the danger zone. They're going to take it off. Their attempt to get it in the in front of the net failed. Scott's able to dump it in the zone. We get some new skaters on the ice. Shot is blocked by Bradford. Rust picks it, or excuse me, Olsen picks it up. He's going to carry it in the zone. He's looking for an open player in the slot. He ends up at Warner at the point. Oh, Warner's shot is saved. Shot from Rust is, oh shoot. SPA picks up the puck and Johnson's going to grab it. He's going to go in on the rush. He's got, oh, nice shot by Johnson. A little backhander in the 5-hole. Wallace has it now. He's looking for a slot option. His shot is saved. Looks like we're going to get an icing call here on SPA. Nice little series by the Scots there in the offensive zone. Looks like we've got Bittens, Rust, and Charlie Rust and Ahmadad out here on the ice with Kavernen and McMullen. Offensive zone faceoff. Scots win the draw. Ahmadad takes it behind the net, looking for an option. It is, oh, nice. Ahmadad pushes him off the puck, but SPA is able to collect it again, and they enter the zone. Ahmadad carries it out, and he's going to dump it in, get a line change. Nice save by Emery. Johnson picks it up behind the net. He gets a trip, but no call here. Olsen able to dump it in. Ship responds on the attack. Johnson picks it up in neutral ice. Looks like we have an offsides here on the Scots. All right. Tommy Rust, Wallace, and Kirsch out here on this face-off with Johnson and Olsen. Puck ends up on Olsen's stick. He dumps it in. Kirsch responds, pushes in the slot. Wallace's stick gets lifted. SPA able to take it out. Johnson keeps the pass from going into our defensive zone here, and we're able to push it in, but Scott's not able to gain control. SPA pushes in the slot. Johnson blocks it. Wallace picks it up. Rust to Kirsch. Kirsch's shot is saved. Puck is still loose. Puck is dumped out. Johnson's able to grab it. Rust carries it through the slot area looking for a spot. Wallace's stick was being secured by the SBA player, so he couldn't quite get his hands on it. Rust goes in for the steal. He's going to carry it in. He brings it to the corner, pushes it up to the point. Johnson's shot to the net is blocked. SPA turns it over, and they're going to carry it in. And their shot goes up into the netting, so we're going to have a face-off here. We've got 10 minutes and 30 seconds to go in the first period. The score is 0-0. Bitten's on the draw. SPA comes out with a win on that face-off, but we're able to push it to the corner. Oh, SPA able to get their hands on it. Their shot is saved. Amada goes in for the steal, and he's able to push it into neutral ice. Carpenter blows a tire, and we had to kind of regroup here. Amada there to support. SPA turns it over again. Bradford able to tip it in the zone, and he goes in on the chase. SPA able to come up with the breakout, though. SPA going in on the rush. Olsen there to protect. Johnson steals it in the corner. Few escape moves, able to get around the SPA players. He pushes it to Olsen. Puck ends up in SPA's hands. It is loose inside of the net. Nice save by Emery. Bradford picks it up on the boards, pushes it up to Warner. Warner's going to carry it in the zone. The puck is stolen from him. Olsen able to save the zone, though. SPA throws it high in the air, and they were able to take the zone. The icing call was waved off. Johnson Olsen working behind the net right now. Puck ends up in front, and Warner picks it up. He pushes it up to Russ. Russ is going to carry it in far in the corner. His shot is saved. SPA turns it over. They're going in on the rush. Nice defensive work by McMullen. Scott's able to break it out. Wallace carrying it through neutral ice. He's going to carry it around the net, looking for an opportunity here. He banks it up to McMullen, who throws it in front of the net, and it is caught by a few skates here. A couple shots are saved. McMullen one-times it. Good pressure here by the Scots. Cavernon's going to take a shot, and our SPA goalie here is going to freeze it. Scots are going to take this opportunity to get some new skaters on the ice. Got Bittens, Charlie Rust, and Amadad out with Johnson and Olsen. SPA comes out with a win on the faceoff. Puck ends up in the corner. SPA is able to break it out of the zone, and they're going in on a 2-on-2. Johnson is keeping him to the outside. Olsen also supporting that. SPA able to get a shot off. It is saved by Bat. Olsen pushes it up to Amadad. Amadad to Bittens. Scott's not able to gain control in neutral zone. Attempted one-timer by SPA is fanned. Oh. Scott's able to get it out of the zone here, and they're going to take a chance to get some new forwards on the ice. Tilson challenges on the boards. SPA kept to the outside, and we are going to turn it over. Oh, that almost hit the net. Scots are going to get an icing call here. It's a nice try by Olsen. Good bank. Both teams seem to have a little bit more time than they are showing here. They're kind of doing a lot of puck throwing, so let's hope that they start getting some control and getting some comfort here and holding on to the puck a little bit longer to make a good play. Carpenter working behind the net with McMullen. McMullen's looking for his opportunity, and he's going to give it back to Carvinen. He chips it up the boards. Rust goes on the chase. He's going to carry it in the zone. His shot is saved. Stolen by Wallace. He carries it into the corner. Puck ends up on Carvinen's stick. Then he gives it back to Wallace. Wallace's shot is blocked. SPA turns it over. Shot saved by Bat. Puck ends up loose in the slot. Rust picks it up. He carries it in through three players, ends up in the corner. He's looking for some reinforcements. Amadad goes in and helps, and he pushes it into the corner. SPA flips it high out of the zone, and Olsen and Johnson there to respond. Nice pass by Johnson up to Charlie Rust. Rust is going to carry it in the zone. He's kept to the outside. Johnson able to hold the zone. He pushes it towards net, just shy of the corner. Scott's not able to hold it, so we're going to have to get out of the pond here. We got Bradford at the dot there. He pushes it back to Ship. Ship's shot is just to the left of the net. He picks it up again, pushes to Bradford in the slot. Bradford gets hit pretty hard. It's knocked off the puck. Olsen saves it in neutral ice, pushes it back in the zone. Olsen steals it. Oh, they stole it right back. Dang it. SPA ices it. We'll take the offensive zone face-off here. We got Rust here at the dot with Kirsch and Wallace. Carvinen and McMullen at point. Scott's come out with control of the puck. Wallace has it in the corner. He's looking for an opportunity. He pushes up to the point. Carvinen gives it back to Rust in the corner. Rust back to Carvinen. Carvinen to Rust. Kind of treating this like a power play setup here. He ends up in the slot and nobody home. Scott's controlling it in the corner. Nice shot by Carvinen. He was able to deke the wing and get that shot off. It was a little bit tough there. Those defensive pairs right out there had some pressure, so the fact that they were able to shot off was pretty good. Rust wins the faceoff, puts it to Carvinen. Carvinen tries to squeak it through, but it ends up getting blocked. McMullen takes a shot. His shot is saved. Bittens takes the faceoff here. Scott's come out with control. He pushes it up to the point. Shot is saved, and it is frozen. Hamada pushes the puck back in the corner. SPA is able to take over control. They bank it off the boards. McMullen responds in neutral ice, and he pushes it back into the zone. Puck changes hands. Amadab pushes it up to Bradford. Bradford dumps it in the zone and goes on the chase. SPA able to break it out. They push it into the slot, and we are able to grab it, but SPA's attempted shot misses the net. Warner passes it up to Ship. Ship goes on the attack. SPA turns it over. Johnson responds in the corner. Banks it. Ends up coming out of the zone. He steals it again. He's going to throw it in and go. He gets checked. SPA is doing a little bit of a checking on this defensive pair here, and some cheap hits here. So but we just got the call. So there you go. SPA goes to the box. We got 51 seconds to go in this first period. The score is 0-0. So Scots, either if we don't score here, we'll be going into the second period with a power play. So let's see our power play line. Power play line today is going to be the two Rust brothers, Amadad, Johnson, and Olson. Oh, nope. Kirsch and the Rust brothers. All right. SBA comes out with a win on that drop. Puck ends up on Johnson's stick, or Olson's stick, excuse me. Scott's working the outside. Johnson to Olson. Olson's shot is blocked. SPA able to clear the zone. 27 seconds to go in the period. Johnson takes a minute to collect himself. SPA tries to take him down, but they're not successful. Johnson's going to carry it in. His shot is blocked. He's going to go around again looking for another chance. Shot ends up. There we go. There we go. Nice. Shot by Johnson on the pads. A rebound. Shot by Kirsch goes in the net. Scott's up 1-0. Scott's win the face-off. Amadad's shot is blocked. All right, so that's the end of the first, folks. We have a 1-0 game in favor of the Scots, and we will be back here in a few minutes for our second period. All right, if anyone scores, if you could just adjust that and then put it up for a second, that'd be good. Welcome back, folks, for our second period. Scots are up 1-0. Battling pretty well. We have some more time, though, to make some plays, so I'm hoping that Coach had some conversations in the locker room about holding on the puck a little bit longer before dumping it. I think we've come off a couple really hard games over the past couple of weeks, so we have to kind of get ourselves reacclimated to having time. All right, we got Tommy Rust and Ian Wallace, Leo Kirsch out here as a line again this second period with Johnson and Olson at point. Rust at the dot. He pushes it back to Johnson. Oh, Johnson puts a pass up, but SPA able to knock it down. Emery's, the puck was shot on net and saved by Emery. Scots did a good job of picking up sticks in front of the net. Looks like we got a player down here for SPA. He just needs a second. All right, Scots having a defensive zone face-off here. Rust at the dot. He comes out with it. Johnson picks it up in the corner. He escapes. Echo. He gets pinned. Rust picks it up. He's able to push it up to Wallace, but Wallace could not get full control of it. So we are, breaking out again. Scott's turn over the puck in neutral ice. SPA goes in on the rush. Tommy Rust responds. He goes in for the steal. He banks it off the boards. Both teams battling for control. Scots are able to take it and go in on the rush, and Tommy's shot is blocked and goes into the netting, so we're going to get a face-off here, and Scots are going to take this opportunity to line change. Bitten's at the dot. Scott's able to hold the zone. McMullen grabs it at the point. His shot is saved. Nice job waiting and finding time. But he loses the puck, and we're going to go in on a chase here for control. SPA comes out with it. They put it in the slot, and we're able to get it back behind the net. SPA disrupts our breakout here. Scots regain control in the corner. They bank it up on the boards, and SPA loses the zone. Bittens goes on the chase. Amadad picks it up. McMullen's shot is blocked. SPA turns it over. Shot is saved by Emery. Second shot saved by Emery. We got Bradford at the dot. Tilson picks it up, carries it out of the zone. He's going to dump it in. Warner's going for it in the corner. SPA turns it over. They break it out. They're going in on a rush here. Johnson able to stop him, holding him at the top of the circles. SPA having to check up here. Olsen holds his own. Bradford brings it to the corner. He's going to try to get it in the slot. SPA picks it up. They're able to break it out. Johnson able to push him off the puck and go in for the steal. He's going to wrap it around. Gives it back to Olsen. Warner makes a nice pass to Bradford. Bradford is going to carry it out. He's going to, nice shot by Bradford, just shy of the net, but it was a good move. Nice steal by Kirsch. SPA comes out with the puck. They throw it up in neutral ice. Johnson picks it up. He makes it around the defense. His shot is, saved, and a rebound shot attempt just missed. Nice play. Wallace has got it right now. His shot is saved. It is banked. Scots need to be prepared for some rebounds here. Olsen able to move SPA off the puck. Johnson pushes it to Rust. Rust escapes in the corner. He loses the puck at the point. Olsen pushes it to Kirsch. Johnson banks it around to Wallace, but Wallace gets laid out here. Johnson pushes it up. Oh, Kirsch just wasn't quite there. We're going to get an icing call here on the Scots. Got Bittens at the dot. SPA wins the draw. Shot on net is saved. Winkleman taking a shift out at the point with Karvinen. He dumps it in the zone. Puck ends up in the slot. Oh! Scots get tied up, and SPA's goalie was able to get his glove on it and freeze it. $12 minutes to go in the second period. Scots currently up 1-0. Nice draw by the Scots. Oh, nice shot by Karvinen. Just squeaks through, but SPA saw it. Amadab picks it up in the corner. SPA comes out with control. They bank it up. And now we got a 2-on-1 on Karvinen. He picks it up. Nice. Steal by Karvinen. He changes over the play. Puck ends up loose in the slot. SPA able to find it first. They're able to move it out of the zone. They're going to go in on the rush. Amadad responds. He's got Winkleman there to support. Winkleman's passed up to Russ, goes to Bradford in neutral ice. SPA regains control, and they're going to dump it in. Scott's able to break it out. Unfortunately, SPA picks it up. They're catching the Scots on a change here. Shot towards the net is just shy. Bradford banks it up the boards. SPA able to dump it back in. Winkleman picks it up. He's going to do a DDD pass here. SPA able to hold the zone. Shot just shy. Emery makes a save there. Scots throw it out of play. Probably a good idea. They need to get a little bit of a regroup on lines here. I think these guys are struggling a little bit on connecting. That's fine. Okay. All right, we got Rust at the dot. SPA wins the draw. Scots keep him to the corner. Rust and Olson pushes up. Oh, Kirsch just takes a pretty good hit. Oh my gosh, Johnson just lays the guy out in front. He's going to get, I bet, a call here. What do we got here? I don't quite know what happened. What was the call there? Or what was the whistle? Oh, okay. Looks like the net was. Okay. The puck hit the ceiling. Went out of play. Oh, SPA picks it up right off the draw and gets a shot off. Emery there able to respond. Johnson able to block the shot with his skate. Wallace picks it up, takes it out of the danger zone, pushes it up to Rust, and he wasn't able to get his hands on it. Johnson grabs it, neutral ice. He's going to skate it in. He pushes it up to Rust. Rust trying to gain control. Gives it back to Johnson. Johnson banks it to Wallace. Nice move by Wallace. Pushes it back up to Johnson. Johnson tries to save it. Wallace gets his hands on it. He's looking for a chance. He shoots. Saved by SPA. Woo! Nice pressure there by the Scots. Olson's shot is blocked. It ends up in Bitten's hand. Bittens puts it in the slot. Olson picks it up, gives it, let's see. He's going to take the shot. Oh, nice bank opportunity on Bittens. Puck ends up out at the point. Johnson's shot is blocked. Johnson picks it back up. He throws it back into the corner. Amadad responds. Both teams battling. Bittens picks it up. He's going to take the shot is blocked. Nice steal, pinch by Olson. Puck is blocked again. Johnson able to hold the zone. Amadad pushes it back to Johnson. Johnson's shot is saved. Johnson throws it in the slot. It is blocked, but Johnson's going to have to hurry up here and get to the nice. Oh, they're going to give him a call. Come on.
Disagree.
He made the play. They're giving Johnson a hooking call. His feet were moving and everything. I don't know about that. I don't know how much better he could have knocked that guy off the puck. I wouldn't have done it any different. Scots go on their first penalty kill of the game. We got 7 minutes, almost 8 minutes in the period left. Nice save by Emery. Kirsch blocks the shot with his skate and ends up in the netting, so we're going to get a new face-off here. SPA comes out with a win on the draw. Their shot is saved. Cavernan picks it up. He's able to get it out of the zone. We got 1 minute, 20 seconds to go in this penalty kill. Oh, nice. Nice coverage by Tommy Rust, and he's able to dump it out. Oh, boy. Okay. SPA coming in on the rush here. They carry it behind the net. 42 seconds to go. Oh, they lose the zone. .30 seconds to go in this penalty kill. The SPA working the outside. .4 seconds to go in the penalty kill. Puck ends up in the corner. Johnson comes back out on the ice. Shot is saved by Emery. Johnson knocks him off the puck. Olsen able to dump it out. They're going to give us an icing call here. That's all right. We just need to reset ourselves. Scott's back to full strength. We've got 5 minutes, 50 seconds to go in the second period. All right, we got Bittens at the draw. SPA able to get it back. Both teams battling in the corner. SPA comes out with it. Their shot is blocked by Johnson. Amadad throws it, and he's going to knock it out of play, so we're going to have a face-off here. Scott's come out with a win on the draw. Kirsch picks it up. He's going to carry it out of the zone. He's looking for his option. He makes a move. He loses the puck, but SPA's goalie is able to freeze it. That's all right. We'll take this offensive zone face-off. I like it. All right, folks, for those who are following the Scots, we have another game on Tuesday, the 21st. Looks like the JV play at 5 and the varsity play at 7 at Doug Woog. We face off with South St. Paul. That'll be our second matchup with them this season. Wallace picks it up. Nice play by Wallace. His shot is blocked. SPA turns it over. They're going to go in on the rush. Kirsch going in support. Johnson picks it up. He's able to get it up to Russ stick. Russ going in with Wallace. Oh. Russ tries to get a pass into the slot. Not really sure where he was going with that one. But SPA was able to make the steal. Nice. Nice save by Emery. Olsen picks it up. A couple good hits by Olsen in the corner. He's able to push it up to Kirsch. SPA grabs it. Johnson needs to get back here. He has a good stick. Kirsch is going to rip it around here. Warner picks it up. SPA takes control. They bank it up. They're a lot of this trying to have a guy flying high and banking it off the boards. Scots are responding. Oh, that was a close. call for Bradford. He almost got a breakaway here. Johnson able to get it out of the zone and bank it to get it on net here. Now we've got a nice steal by Johnson. He's going to go in on the rush. Oh, man, offsides by the Scots. Oh, shoot. Shoot. All right. Got a neutral zone faceoff here. Scots come out with a win on the draw, but that shot towards get it in the net was blocked. Amadad able to reinforce with some support, and he's able to get it in. Oh, SPA picks it up. They've got a 2-on-1 here, and they make this big shoot. They scored. Upper left corner. Oh, boy. All right, well, now we got a tie game, folks. 3 minutes to go in the second. Charlie Russ grabs it. He's going to take it in the zone. SP able to knock him off the puck. Amadad picks it up. He loses it. SP able to move him off the puck. Bittens picks it up. He banks it too hard up to the point. Shot is saved.
And number 10, Miles Corbin. Glenn from Stateko and Corbin. River Spartans at 13:44.
Puck is. No. Cover that guy, cover. Nice save by Emery. Winkleman throws it out of the zone. We're going to get an icing call here on the Scots. Got Rust at the dot. Two minutes to go in the second period. Score is currently 1-1. Johnson able to bank it up. Wallace misses it, but is able to give it to Rust. Rust pushes it in the slot. Wallace responds. Oh, nice. Nice backhanded attempt by Wallace. It was saved, but I'm going to give him a couple stars for effort there. Emery here is going to hold that puck. We're going to take a face off. Oh, looks like we're gonna have a redo here on this face off. Puck ends up out at the point, but it is blocked. Oh, SPA able to regain control of it though. Johnson pushes it up, banks it on the boards. Kirsch, oh, nice speed. Wallace grabs it, pushes it up to Johnson. Johnson takes the shot. Oh, attempted tip. Missed. Russ puts it back to Wallace. Olson to Wallace. Wallace unable to keep control. Russ goes in to help. We got a referee in the way. Russ pushes it to Amadad. Amadad carries it in the zone. We've got 3 guys there, but we're not able to get it to the slot. Scots loses zone. Olson, oh shoot. Olson passes it to Johnson. Almost missed it, but Johnson picks it up. He's going to give it up to Rust. Johnson takes it in the slot. Oh, dang it. He better hurry back here. Scott's looks like SPA is an icing call. We got 11 seconds to go here. One opportunity for a face-off, and then we'll be leaving the second period. All right. Oh. Shot is saved. Puck ends up in the corner. Kirsch gives the hit. Oh, well, that's the end of the second period, folks. The score is 1-1. Both teams battling hard and getting some opportunities. We will be back out here in a few minutes for the third period.
Brady Glenn scored assist by number 8, Max Esteko, and number 10, Miles Corman. Second period saves. Camilla Barrington for the Spartans, 16 saves on 16 shots for a two-period total of 28 saves on 29 shots. Henry Matt for the Scots, 8 saves on 9 shots for a two-period total of 16 saves.
So it looks like we have 28 shots for the Scots and 17 shots for SPA, if you're keeping tabs. All right, we'll be back in a few. All right, welcome back for the third period, folks. Score is currently 1-1. Scott's up about 2 times the amount of shots on SPA. I think it's 28-17. SPA comes out with the first win on the face-off here. They dump it in. Puck ends up back in the corner. Both teams battling for control. If SPA takes a shot, it is wide. Looks like they are blowing the whistle, maybe out of play. Johnson's bank off the boards went up and hit a player, so we're going to get another face-off here. We got Rust at the draw with Kirsch and Wallace, Johnson and Olson at the points. Shot is saved. All right. SPA comes out with the win on that face-off. Their shot goes high into the netting. It's like coach is going to switch up the forwards here. Oh, nope, he's not. Change their mind. Puck ends up on Kirsch's stick. He's going to carry it in the zone. He's got Wallace with him. He pushes it high in the slot, and Tommy was not available. Johnson picks it up, and he dumps it back in. Rust goes on the chase. Olson holds the zone, and puts it right on Tommy's stick. The SPA goalie is able to freeze it. Carvinen able to hold his own, throws it in, it ends up on SPA's stick, and they're going to break it out, and looks like they're getting an icing call here. The Scots are going to go back to the offensive zone here. Bitten's at the dot. SPA whips it out, and they're going to get another icing call. We're going to do that again. Puck ends up in the corner. Scots pick it up. Bitten's looking for his option. He takes a couple shots. SPA goalie is able to save those. Carvinen banks it on the boards. Amadab picks it up. Both team bouncing back and forth here. SPA throws it in, and they're going to get a change. Johnson throws it up to Rust, and he's not able to get control. Olson responds. He helps out in the corner. Amada grabs it. He gives it to Rust. Rust is going in on a one-on-one. He's not quite able to get around it. Puck ends up in the corner. Olson defends. He's going to keep it in the neutral ice, and Rust able to throw it in the zone. Scots need to clear the pool here. Tilson going in on the chase. Nice blue line management by Olson. Bradford's shot attempt is blocked. Johnson picks it up. He's going to carry it in. Johnson blocks, saves the puck. He's going to go. Oh, they had 3 guys out there now. He's going to skate through, though. Oh, he keeps it in front of the net. Oh, my gosh. 3 shots. Oh, my gosh. Now we got Karvinen needing to defend both. Nice block by Karvinen. He keeps it from the net. Rust picks it up. He brings it in, gives it to Wallace. Wallace's shot is saved. Whew. That made my blood pressure go up a little bit. Oh my goodness. All right, Rust here at the faceoff. Wallace owns it in the corner. He tries to sneak it in and is saved. Puck ends up at the point. Shot is blocked. SPA throws it out. They waved off icing. Puck ends up on Rust's stick, and they're going to call icing on us. All right. Here we go. Got another face-off here. In our defensive zone, we've got 12 minutes, 45 seconds to go in the game. Score is 1-1. We got Bittens on the face-off. Rust picks it up. He tries to carry it in. He gets knocked off the puck. SPA throws it. They're going to ice it. Well, we'll take the face-off in the offensive zone. SPA wins the draw, but we're able to steal it back. Not able to get control. Johnson's going to pinch here. SPA was able to pick it up. Oh my gosh. Scott's going to get a penalty here. Trip on Amada. Dang it. Scott's going to go on their second PK of the game. Johnson picks it up in the corner. He's able to, get it out of the zone at least. Kirsch putting some great pressure on these defenders. Olsen picks it up. Nice play by Johnson. He's able to clear the zone. Tommy Russ goes in for the steal. Pushes it, to Kirsch, and just couldn't get a stick on it. Goalie lost her stick. Johnson clears it. 1 minute to go in the penalty kill. Oh, come on, Scots. 45 seconds to go. Nice. Olsen makes the block. Puck ends up back in SPA's hands, though. Shot is blocked by Johnson. Johnson banks it. SPA picks it back up. 30 seconds to go. Shot is saved by Emery. Woo. SPA gets the puck. Shot is saved. Johnson picks it up behind the net. 8 seconds to go. Nice stick by Kirsch. We're back to full strength. Nice steal by Wallace. He carries it. Not able to fully get control, but Rust is able to support. Rust gets it in the slot. Shot is saved. Goalie trips Wallace, but we're not going to get the call here. Karvinen goes in for the steal, ends up on Kirsch's stick. Take the shot. Rust to Karvinen, Karvinen to McMullen. McMullen's shot is saved. We're going to get a puck freeze here. Whew. All right, got Bradford at the faceoff. They're able to exit the zone. Puck ends up moving back out. Tilson goes on the chase. Johnson picks it up. Oh, couldn't quite get mustard on it there, and we're going to get it dumped back in. Shot is high. Johnson steals it on the boards, pushes it up to Warner. Warner's going to carry it in the zone. He takes the shot. The shot is saved. Olsen's shot is saved. Puck ends up bouncing out of the zone. Johnson goes. to collect it. He's got two SPA players on his back. Puck ends up getting banked out. Shot is wide. SPA able to pick it up. They dump it in. And Emery's going to glove it and hold on to it. So Scots are going to get some new players on the ice. Ooh, saved by Emery. Carvenin picks it up, pushes it up to Russ. Russ going to carry it in the zone. We got a 2-on-2 here. Oh, his pass is not, was wide. Scott's forced to go on a dump and chase. Wallace gets Hirsch gets a piece of it. He carries it in the zone. Scots get a new defensive pair out. SPA quickly going in on the rush. Johnson able to poke check it away. What do we got going on? Oh, come on. Scots are going to get a call for 6 men on the ice. Scots are going to go back on the penalty kill. Currently discussing who's going to serve that penalty. It's like they're going to put Wallace in the box. Got Bradford, Charlie Russ, Johnson, and Olsen on the ice. SPA wins the draw.
A minor penalty has been assessed.
Shot is wide.
For too many players on the ice. Penalty will be served by 59 Ian Wallace. Time of the penalty 10:05.
Shot is fart. SPA scored. Score is currently 2-1 SPA. All right. Well, we got 6 minutes 30 seconds to go in this game. Scots still have time to get this one back. SPA able to get the zone. Johnson picks it up in the corner. Both teams battling. Johnson grabs it. Pushes it back to Olsen. Scott's able to gain the zone.
St. Paul Academy, a power play goal at 10:25 of the third period for number 27, Preston Carlix. Assisted by number 9, Ethan Peltier, and number 5, Adam Rivers. Carlix from Peltier and Rivers. For the Spartans on the power play at 10:25.
Nice defense by the Scots, keeping them to the outside. Amadad picks it up, pushes it up to Rust. Rust is going to carry it in the zone. His shot is saved. Five minutes, 30 seconds to go in the game. Scots need to find a goal here. Puck is loose in the slot, but SPA picked it up. Carvinen holds his own. Carvinen keeps it from corner out. Oh, shoot. Well, we turned it over. But McMullen's there to defend, and he's going to wrap it around. Wallace takes a pretty big hit there. Both teams battle in the corner. SPA picks it up. They're going to throw it. Oh, they put it on the boards. Ended up on Kirsch's stick. Kirsch puts it in open space. Warner goes to collect it, and he's not able to. But now Russ picks it up. Russ is going to carry it in. He's going to go into the corner. Ship gives it to Johnson. Johnson pushes it up to Warner. Warner gives it to Olsen. Olsen takes, oh, nope, Olsen's not going to get the shot. Ends up in the slot. Johnson's shot is blocked. Scott's trying, we lose the zone, but that's all right. Johnson takes it. He gives it up to Bradford. Bradford to Warner. Warner's shot ends up sneaking through, but nobody's there to get it. Oh, my gosh. Dang it. Johnson's going to take it. He's looking for a chance. He pushes it in the slot, but Ship's not able to get a stick on it. He saves it from getting up, going too far in the neutral ice. Olsen puts it up high, but the SPA goalie is able to glove it, and they're going to freeze the puck. 3 minutes, 15 seconds to go in the game. The Scots are down 2-1. Amadad picks it up, puts it in the slot. Oh, it's right there. Oh, nice save by the SPA goalie. Russ put it back on net again. Olsen's taking his turn. Nice save. Johnson picks it up in neutral ice. Ends up giving it to Olsen. Olsen pushes it to Rust. Rust makes a nice move. Oh, Olsen's shot is high. Johnson picks it up again in neutral ice. Gives it back to Olsen. Olsen carries it in. Oh, nice attempt to give it to Amadad. Amadad couldn't quite get a stick on it. He puts it back to Olsen behind the net. He puts it in front, is saved. This goalie owns that corner of that net, so she's not giving them anything. We keep trying those wraparounds, and there's no way. And they're going to get scared, and they're going to dump it. An icing call. Scott's getting a offensive zone face-off here. We've got 2 minutes to go in the game. Wallace pushes it back to the point. He dumps it back to the corner. SPA throws it. Oh, we got an icing call. That was a waffly puck. We ended up getting icing call again here. SPA loses the zone. Kirsch goes on the chase. We got 1 minute, 30 seconds to go in the game. SPA able to enter the zone. Their shot is saved. Oh. Scott's able to get it up to Wallace. SPA able to keep him out of the slot. Johnson take behind the net. We got 1 minute to go in the game here. He pushes up to Olsen. Olsen gives it to Rust. Rust's shot is blocked. Johnson picks it up at the blue line. He escapes, pushes it into the slot. Oh, almost got it on Amadad's stick. Scots lose his zone. No, oh no! Scots pulled their goalie and SPA banked it off the boards and they were able to get a goal. Shoot. SPA wins the draw. They're going to dump it in.
Scoring for St. Paul Academy. Even strength goal at 16:29 of the third period for number 10, Miles Corman. Assisted by 16, Brady Glenn.
Bittens takes it out of the zone.
Into the empty net at 16:29.
Pushes it in the slot. Well, SPA wins tonight. Final score is 3-1. We will see you guys on Tuesday. Scots Varsity plays at Doug Woog against South St. Paul at 7 p.m. I believe our JV plays at 5. We will see you guys back here then. Thank you and have a wonderful night.